We're at the 2018 Building Systems Housing Summit in Knoxville, Tennessee, day 2, and I am standing here with Mr. Ken Semler from Express Modular Homes. And Ken, you are a national modular home builder. I mean, pretty much every state that there is. How does the Building Systems Council and these summits benefit you by being a member?
Well, we've been doing the summits for a number of years. From Express Modular's perspective, it's a great opportunity for me to come and meet new suppliers, new vendors, and actually it's a great networking opportunity. Over the years, I've got to meet a lot of new individuals into the industry. It's been a learning opportunity for me and actually an opportunity to mentor some of the newer builders in the industry. So it's just a great opportunity overall for us to get here, get together, and actually share common goals with a lot of individuals in the industry.
Right, and I agree with that. I mean, we're competitors of such, right?
Mm-hmm.
But we work together.
Mm-hmm.
It's great to network with people that are in the same industry, have the same problems as you have, and that is one of the great benefits of being a part of the Building System Council and coming to these summits. So, Ken, if you could just sum it up, where do you see the off-site construction industry heading over the next 5-10 years?
Well, I really see everybody keeps on talking about the productivity and the labor issue, and I think the construction industry itself is struggling to figure out where it goes. And so I think from the off-site construction industry, we actually see it today. Yesterday and today, we've got a number of people that have heard about it, and they're actually using this summit as their entree in to try to learn more about the industry itself. I've talked to a number of individuals, and they're trying to figure out either how to start factories, how to participate as a builder in this industry, how to learn this industry. And so I just see us growing. I see just a really great opportunity.
Yeah, and I agree. Everyone, Ken Semler, Express Modular Homes, National Modular Home Builder. I'm Dave Cooper, and we are at the 2018 Building Systems Housing Summit in Knoxville, Tennessee.